Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So just came from a nice event, had a great time. Even though I was at an event, I was still taking photos. I was writing an article for the website, so be sure to hit smartphoneconversations.com to see the full-size pictures of what you're going to see in this video. So a lot of people brag about the cameras on their phones. Well, I'm here to tell you that the Pixel 3, in my opinion, is by far the best phone if you want to take photos. There were people there with DSLRs, and there were people there with just all kinds of cell phones, but I was using my phone to take photos. Now I'm going to show you the photos, not from the event, but just from all the low light photos that I took with the phone, because the other pictures are private and you know people might not want to be on camera or whatever. But I got to tell you, in any situation, by using this phone, the camera performed just immaculately. It was unreal how well this phone produced footage in the dark situations that I had it in. I was totally surprised, caught off guard actually, because the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL, you might hear a lot of people saying that they're the best cameras on a phone. So, you know, I have a lot of cell phones and also have different cameras too. Now, while it's not, I don't think it can compete with my DSLR, obviously, it's definitely close because Google, unlike all these other companies out there, they're using just one lens. And they have two on the front, but the two on the front, one is for a wide angle shot. But ultimately on the rear, this is what you're looking at, just one lens. And you know, I'll tell you, yes, the video recording is not good for audio, but the quality of the video recording is actually really solid. But an audio fix will be coming later. But this video is about photos. So throughout this video, you're seeing photos that I've taken tonight. And I'm just blown away at how well this phone can produce such quality photos. I could have taken multiple phones with me, but I just chose to take this phone and this phone only because I felt like I've highlighted the video, and a lot of people talk about the video quality being bad. Photos, to me, in my opinion and my experience, is untouched by pretty much everything that I have. Now, while the iPhones do take better video, the photos to me are definitely not as good and as crisp after a second look at the Pixel cameras. I've always said that the Pixel cameras were the best for photos, but I never really took a lot of photos to show them to you. So that's why I wanted to do this video and also post them up on the website. So be sure to check smartphoneconversations.com so you can see the full versions of these photos. Watching it over video and me posting them up like this doesn't do it any justice. You got to be able to see the true photos and the full resolution, and I guarantee you, you'll be extremely impressed at what you see. You're probably impressed right now by looking at them on video, but I'm telling you, the Pixel 3 to me is by far the phone to get if you like to take photos. Again, we know that the video quality is questionable, or it could be challenged by other phones, but in my opinion, and I don't claim to be a photographer, I'm not saying that my word is bond. I'm not saying that this is the final say-so in phones, but I also don't do I don't do as many photos as one might think. The photos that I normally take are just for social media, but I decided to take this in a more professional setting. I was at a professional function. It was a really important function, and I took photos that people were taking with their DSLRs and other cameras, and I think this phone was doggone close. I think it was really, really good, the quality of photos I was getting. After getting him up on the computer and looking at him, wow. Google has managed to get just a stellar camera on the rear of this thing and get it to produce, with software enhancements, get it to get the best shot possible. You watch the Apple event and they said that, you know, their phone takes, the iPhone takes like 7 or 8 different shots, mash them all together, grabs the best one, all those other things. That's fine and dandy, but the Pixel 3, in my opinion, by far is the champ for photos. Portrait mode is great. I don't have a problem with the way it looks in portrait mode. I think it looks fantastic on the front and the rear. And I really think that this is where manufacturers should go. They should take notes from Google when it comes to producing something that takes photos. Can't stress that enough. People take a lot of people take more photos than videos for social media. This is the phone to get if you are a person who takes a lot of photos. I kid you not, no selling point, no nothing, just straight facts. Remember to hit the smartphoneconversations.com and you will see the full size, you'll see the actual photos taken from this phone. And I upload the full size photos too. I normally put it into a little collage or, you know, just something, but I went on ahead and pushed out the full photos to the website so you can really get an opportunity to see what this phone can do. So I wanted to put up a quick video for you guys, let you guys know this phone right here is the phone to use if you want to do photos. Video is good too. It's just a matter of the quality of the audio. You're gonna need an external mic right now. You're gonna need something to help, another format to do audio with. But photos, Google, you got it right. You did the right thing. Phone is still a little bit pricey. It's definitely on the higher side for price. And some people might say, well, the only thing good about the phone is it's just another Android phone that takes good photos. No, there's a lot to love about this phone. There's the only downside to this phone I've found is that it's priced really high, like every other Android phone and every other iPhone. They're all priced too high. And this one right here just happened to have that situation with the audio for video recording. And that's questionable. Not everybody thinks that the audio is bad. You know, I don't think it's horrible. I just think it's obviously a problem with it and it needs to be addressed. And maybe Google will get it addressed. But until then, this is the phone to get. Wow. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Be sure to hit smartphoneconversations.com to check out the full res photos. I think you'll be really impressed. Take care.